Hi, I'm Joy Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. Today's I'm doing a quick get ready with me and trying out some new product as well as some products that I featured here before. Mostly the focus will be on a brand called Julep, and they came out with a concealer. And it's in this beautiful baby. It has a barrel, like it shows a window where the product is in. Now, I tried filming this the other day, and apparently I had it on the wrong setting, and it came back with a terrible, terrible echo in the audio. So I am refilming this, so there will be parts that you see where I mention, I don't even know what to say. Basically, this is a refilm, so please bear with me. This won't be a first impressions video, obviously, because I already tried it. But I will just give my impressions from what I remember. I find myself reaching for a lot, and this is the Fenty Beauty Thick and Smooth. That. Twist the bottom, stuff out. And I'm going to use the NYX Plump Right Back. Goes on quite clear, a little runny. Again, I featured this on my channel before. Right. I don't know if you can see that, but this is a foam tip, similar to, like, let's say the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. It kind of comes off like that. And you twist the bottom a bit until you get a little bit of that. See that? And this is an 01 Alabaster. And I just, oh, it feels so cooling too. Just put it where my redness is. And of course around my eyes. And that's essentially it. Some people don't like having a foam tip because they say it encourages bacterial growth. For me personally, I'm not a certified makeup artist. I'm not a professional makeup artist. I don't do this for a living. So for me, no one else is going to be using this but me. I suppose if you wanted to do it a more sanitary way, if you were, you would probably take some of this and put it on a palette, a clean palette, and put the product on there and then use like a brush or something. But I like using a little tip on that. I feel it distributes the product better. I will say that when you put this on, it acts like a foundation because it says in there you can use it, because it does say on the packaging that you could use it as a concealer as well as a foundation. So I wouldn't let it set too long on my face because it will stay put. So I am putting this on my lids as well to use as a base. because yes, I am going to be using eyeshadow. There is no scent to this that I'm aware of. It feels creamy, and it's on the medium to thick side. But it doesn't feel heavy on my face, which I like. But again, as soon as you put this on, you have to start distributing it. That's it. Nice. I like that. I look awake. I look refreshed. Can't complain. Okay, while we're here, I'm going to go into another product of Julep Beauty, and this is their Eyeshadow 101. And it's so tiny, the packaging here. Like, I can't really see the name, so I will list the names of the colors. This is like a matte eyeshadow, and I like to use this as a base. So I'm just going to go in here, just apply it all over the lid. Very creamy, easy to apply, like a dream. And it matches my skin tone a bit, so I'm not too concerned, but that's the point. And if you want to raise it, you do that. But I like to bring my makeup down, so in case it's somewhere and I jostle it or I inadvertently raise it too high, it doesn't get broken off. And then at the end of this is a little sponge. See that? And again, I'm the only one that's going to be using this. So I use this to blend out and distribute that. Or I even use my finger. Very smooth, very creamy. The little elf puff sponge here that I have, really cute. I'll use one finger. With the Makeup Forever HD Skin Twist and Light. This is the one that comes with the lavender, the pink, and I call it the beige. This is an 01 Claire. And you twist this open, and then you pour a little bit on there. It's just to set it around my eyes. And then right before I set it on the eyes, I put it here. Not too much under my eyes. Like so. Again. And this is to help cancel further any redness or discoloration on the face. And I'm just gonna real quick. It does help cancel discoloration. I'm gonna go back in. I've given it a minute to bake. And I'm gonna go back in and sort of take out some of this okay. This looks pretty darn good. I have to admit, I like it. All right. So now, I would say this, I would say that this provides medium to full coverage. It feels like it may be buildable as well. But I also believe that maybe less is more starting, and then you add when you need more. All right, so now the next thing I'm going to do is, I'm feeling a little bit of eyeshadow, so I'm going in with the Julep 101 eyeshadow. And I'm going to go in the outer corner here and just apply it over the lid like so. I mean, it's so creamy. I mean, look at that. Now you have a couple of choices. You can leave it like this, or you can go in with your finger, or I guess a cream brush. I'm really liking that. Again, really creamy, delicious. I'm going with the brush here. I'd say this series, the Eyeshadow 101 from Julep, is really great for beginners. For all levels, really, but especially for beginners who are not makeup pros, you know, or need something that goes over the eye and doesn't look like it needs a lot of work to put on. I'm really liking that. And I'm just blending it up a little bit. And you don't have to be harsh on your skin or on your eyes. Just be mindful. I like that. Very simple, very sexy in a way, you know. So I like that. Here's another one because the Julep Eyeshadow 101 comes in various finishes like matte, and I think this is shimmer. This is like a forest green. Yeah, that color. Gorgeous. Okay. So I'm gonna put this at the end because I desire more color and some more depth. Look at that. Ooh. I apply this as a V. Loving that. I'm just going to use the bottom of this again and apply it to. I said you don't have to because it does the color kind of dissipates a little bit. It gets softer. So if you're looking for a kind of like smoky look, like a gentle smoky look, you can definitely get that done with this. Very nice. Guess I could put a little under my eyes. Let's see. Let's see if I can use the blender under here with whatever residual color I have, just to give a softened look. It doesn't look too done. And it gives a lift to the eyes a little bit too, which I like. From e.l.f. Their liners. This is a beautiful green. I'm going to try that. I can break out all these deeper colors because we are officially in September, which means we are moving towards the fall weather here in New York. So I'm really excited about that. I'm going to go in with a little more of a dramatic eyelash, and this is, I'm using the Fantasize from One Size mascara. Here's my look. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Have you tried any of these products? Have you tried Julep Beauty? Again, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me today on my latest makeup adventure. If you haven't done so already, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you in my next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.